Off to a bike ride today with some friends. They are joining a challenge for their professional association, and they're promoting a healthy lifestyle through safe cycling to fight COVID. They wanted to go for at least an 85-kilometer ride, and we're gonna join them. Let's have fun. Okay, I'm supposed to meet another friend here, but they've cordoned it off. But at least I guess cyclists can go through. This is the Manila American Cemetery and Memorial. The Manila American Cemetery and Memorial in BGC, Philippines contains the largest number of US military graves from World War II, a total of almost 17,000, most of whom lost their lives in operations in New Guinea and the Philippines. Riding for their association,
Yes.
promoting a healthy lifestyle through safe cycling to fight COVID.
That's the PCS, Philippine College of Surgeons.
Did I get that right?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay, we're off to a ride. Let's have fun. Morning po.
Yes, sir. You control it. You can control it from the base, the charging base.
Or I set the buttons that if I press twice, then you save it and you send it here. We're on our way back. 71 kilometers out of the 85 we set out to do. Great weather, nice drizzle, and good company. Okay, it started to rain, and that's why I put on my vest. Definitely, it's not meant to keep you dry, but it does help with the wind chill. And I think that's the whole important thing. So the front of your chest remains protected from the cold as you are moving forward in a wet t-shirt. So that's what it's for. I had it rolled up in my pocket earlier, and now that the rain came, I pulled it out. Many people might find the loud pink a bit much as a vest, but when the weather gets wet and dark and visibility is down, trust me, you will want the loud colors for the cars to be able to see you. Not even 80 kilometers yet, so maybe I'll try out the the bike lanes on EDSA. Let's see. Before COVID, I would never have thought of biking on EDSA or Commonwealth. But times changed. I like these things. Yeah, this is when it gets really fun to be on a bicycle on EDSA. Because the traffic's slowing down. Oh no. Oh, poor guy. He has others helping him already. Looks like he slipped. Much cleaner. There, 85 kilometers. We made it. Got rained on, but still had loads of fun. Cheers.